أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني ويفقهوا قولي. Poultry Houses Consultant, Dr. Ventilation Group HICO launched a new program for you that today our guest is from Turkey, Mr. AYKUT from Azim-tav, Turkey. This is a poultry manufacturer, poultry system manufacturer, especially in cages. They are working in Turkey. So welcome, Mr. AYKUT. Welcome in Pakistan.
Welcome, welcome. Assalamu alaikum. To
Walaikum
brother
assalam.
Pakistan.
Yes, Pakistan is Turkey, the very good relations, and also we have a love relations with Turkey, especially Sayyid Erdogan. Yes, we love it. Yes, thank you very much for joining us.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much to join us, Mr. Azim. Basically, Mr. Azim is Mr. AYKUT is a mechanical engineer. He self-designed the cage system and the mechanical system of the cages, and he did a lot of jobs, and they installed 100,000 layer cages houses in Pune and different cities of the Turkey. Now I will ask some questions to Mr. AYKUT that you give us some tips, special tips for the layer cages house. So let me know about your manure conveyor system and how long time after we will start and replace the manure from your system. Please let us know.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, actually in our experience, the customers should collect the manures every 2 years, not every two days, because of the manure's yield, manure's lifetime. It's very important for us. And of course, if the manure belt system can damaged, all of the cages can damaged. It's very important for the layer house life. Our suggestion is two days, maximum 3 days, no more, please.
Right. And what to do if the manure belt struck, and after 4 days, what to do?
What to do? For example, we saw in Turkey one customer after 10 days they didn't collect the manures. What we do? We are going to the maintenance team. We will go to at the back of the house, and they will release the chains between the tiers, so they can collect every tiers step by step. Then they can collect the manure belts easily.
Right.
That's all.
And what to do that if the manure belt broken?
What manure belt broken? First of all, they have to clean the manure belts first of all, and after clean the manure belts, they have to weld. If they have they can do weld with welding machines. You know, we are using special welding machines for the manure belts. After that, they can collect. If they damage too much, they have to replace with the new manure belt.
Right. So, and let us know that for the feeding, which type of system you use for the feeding. It's auger system, is a chain system, or feed bag, and which type of the system you use for the feeding.
In our system, we are using two options. One of them is chain system, chain feeding, and the other one is feed wagon. We are calling that feed trolley system. We are not using auger system. We have two systems. That's all.
Right, right. And what about the egg collection system? You tell us about your Azim-tav company, the egg collection system.
In egg collection system, we have two options again. One of them is Niagara system. We call it, it's very famous in the poultry industry, Niagara system. And the other one is lifting system. If the customer has too much capacity in their farms, they are preferring Niagara system. But in our experience, after 5 years, Niagara system is available and it's useful because of the egg belts speed. And you know, in egg belts, you cannot increase egg belts speed too much in Niagara system because of the crack, because the Niagara system can crack the eggs. It's very important. And in our experience, we are using spatial rates between the tiers and the chains. It's very important. Clean eggs. It's very important.
So what is the speed of your egg belt? What is the speed?
Our egg belt speed is, wait a minute, I calculated yesterday again, and 3.1 meter per minute.
Right, 3.1 meter per minute. That's good.
This is for lifting system. But if you want Niagara system, this speed must reduce until 1 meter per minute.
Right, right. And what is the speed of your manure belt?
Our manure belt speed is 3.21 meter per minute.
Okay, 3.21 meter per minute. That's very good. That's very important. And what about your egg conveyor, the big egg conveyor?
Egg conveyor speed.
Egg conveyor speed is
7.1 meter per minute. 7.1 meter per minute.
7.1 meter per minute. The egg speed.
Yes.
Egg conveyor speed. And what is the size of your egg conveyor?
There is 3 options there. It depends on the total capacity of egg conveyor. We are using 50 centimeters for until 50,000 per hour. And the second option is 60 centimeter. And the third one is 75 centimeter.
Right, right, right.
We are using 75 centimeters for huge capacities for Niagara system.
That's great. That's great. And let me know the tips, special tips for the layer growers, layer farmers and layer doctors, the farm managers of the doctors. What is the special tips you have for the cages system?
We have only H-type cage for our system, and there is three type of width. We are using 60 centimeters. I mean the depth. The depth is 60 centimeter, 62.5 centimeters, and 67.5 centimeters. We are using 3 type of depth of cage, and for length, we are using same length size as 60 centimeters. If your house is in city which has high humidity, we are preferring 66 centimeters height, and this is our standard. And also we are using 60 centimeters as a standard, because some customers can return from broiler to layer, so their houses can be maximum height 3.0 height meter. This is ISO standard. And so if we want to place high capacity, we have to use 60 centimeters height. And
so it means that where the hot and humid climate, in that
Yes.
climate, what do you suggest the size of the cage for especially in hot and humid climate?
66 centimeters is useful for that.
Right. That's good. Thank you very much, Mr. AYKUT. And you
You're
gave
welcome.
us very good information. And especially,
Welcome.
I am very surprised because you know the speed of the belt, speed of the mirror belt, and everything. Yes, this is very important thing. And let us know about your 120,000 layer cages house, the specifications of the house, the width of the house, the tiers and rows of the house, and the fans and the system you install in that house. Let us know, please.
Okay. In real time now, we are doing installation in Konya city in Turkey. Now we finished 3 days ago also 140,000 capacity in one house, 10 tiers and 7 rows with catwalk, 5 plus 5. And our calculation in Konya, because Konya is in the middle of Turkey and there is no humidity there, so the customer wants 32 cooling fans, 140 and 140.